Contribution is very important for Amazee Labs.
Drupal is a completely open source platform. It relies on everyone making the effort to improve it.
Our main contribution to the community, to the Drupal community, is code itself. We are the main maintainers of the GraphQL module for Drupal.
It gives us the opportunity to exchange experiences with the community, get opinions on how we solve problems, how they solve problems, how other community members work, and this is a great way to improve our own workflows.
The message is getting through to a lot more people now that if you contribute, the product becomes better, and you can't rely on other people as well to solve your problems. You know, we're all in this together, and open source for me is one of modern humanity's kind of nicest achievements. You know, it's like it's a piece of collaboration that that helps us all advance.
Probably the best way to learn.
I have never worked in a place before that contributes so much, not just like the scale of contributions, but the quality of contributions. Like, as you know, like, we have some incredibly talented people.
We're also maintaining a couple of other modules. We try to collaborate with other maintainers as much as possible. Our rule of thumb is if somebody else is already working on it, rather help than try to build it yourself. Another important contribution are our blog posts. We try to share as much knowledge and information as possible, as well as talks at camps, DrupalCons and other events throughout Europe and the whole world.
Amazee Labs, I think they walk the walk and they talk the talk as well. Do you know, like, we actually care about contributing to the Drupal ecosystem, and I love that. I think it's a really great thing.